Travel to the village with me, my dad, and my brother. So I was losing my hair and getting ready because they took me on away. They said we were supposed to. They called us that our our palm fruits are, due. That we should come and carry it. Because that's how we do it. In the past, when I was little, my mom normally, when it's time for this palm fruit season, we normally travel with my siblings to the village and spend days. But we're all grown now and there's no network. And they expect me to come and keep me in the village. There's no lights, there's no network. So we don't do it like that anymore. So she found other means here in Enugu that will always do it. So here's my village. I'm from Akbugo. Hello, I'm from Akbugo. So here we are driving. My mom was supposed to come with us, but because of a few things she needed to attend to. She needed to attend to a few things, so she didn't come with us. So my dad, we need his car to carry them back to the, to Enugu to process it. So here we're going down to my village. We went to pick the man that cut the stuff. He's not the one, but he knows. He's the one that brought the I've forgotten what they call them. The person that cuts it was the one that brought them. They brought the guy, so he knows the places the palm fruits are differently. So he's not taking us there, so he could show us different trees. So here is my house in the village. You guys, we've gotten to my house. So and it's time for us to start doing all this stuff. So now see what they brought out. The one they brought out, though we still need to go and get others inside the bush one after the other. But this was not given to me because normally it's supposed to be more than enough. In fact, that back seat was supposed to be half filled so that my brother would just sit by the side. That was the plan. That was the intention. The boot will be filled up, then half of the back seat. That's how we normally do it whenever we come back to the village to carry these palm fruits. So I was doing video. The man was like, "Ada, I beg, hurry, leave this thing you're doing. Come, let's go and get the work done." I told him, "Okay, sir." But this man don't say me I'm supposed to do video. I really want to do some videos and put out here. So here I was picking all the fruits. I was trying to pack everything. Because we bring the big one, then these are like the ones that fall while it was coming down from the palm fruits. Okay, I can use this one and make banga stew, or steam it and produce the oil, whichever one you want. So I was trying to pick everything. My brother was on the other side because there are about up to 6 trees that we're supposed to go and carry, but it's quite small. Unlike, because the last time I came to the village to come and pack, go walk tired. Okay, go walk there because I was ready to change. There are some clothes inside, but when I came, I found out that there wasn't much thing, so I didn't bother changing. Unlike. So after this one, I went to another place. I went to that tree. My brother was also, helping me out. I came to recording when I was speaking, so he did. So I went to another place because I went with my MP. I was playing my song and they carry me around. Anywhere I go, keeps me happy because the village is quite boring. So, but the amount of palm fruits that was sold wasn't what we expected. Okay, because it wouldn't get enough oil, so we decided that we were gonna sell it. So here we're trying to find this man helped us find someone that's gonna buy it because these villagers, they will price you something that was not even enough for the fuel you bought. Even we finally sold it lesser the amount of fuel that carried us to the village. But what to do now? You will leave it there to be wasting instead of carrying it back home, because we found that it wasn't really necessary anymore because it was really small. It wouldn't even make this particular oil now wouldn't even get up to 1 gallon, 1 full gallon, 25 gallon. That's yellow gallon. It wouldn't be up to it, right? So and decided to just sell it off. And do something else with the money, and went back. So you guys, I don't know, this is us doing it, so watch us. So after here we went to so many other places. After this particular place we went to many other places. We went to see my grandpa, went to the market to buy some things. I bought abacha, I bought fufu, because you can't come to the village and not buy fufu. Fufu, correct fufu. I even cooked it and I made a video of it, so it will be coming up very soon. You guys, I've not been feeling too well. These are last week videos. I've not been able to create content because I've been really down on malaria, but I think today I'm a lot better, I'm a lot strong. I'm a lot stronger than yesterday. I couldn't even talk very well. Malaria is not good though. I've really stressed lately because I've been busy with a lot of things. So I think it's just the stress that brought out that particular illness. Okay, because malaria will just go and hide in the liver. So when it's time, when you stress yourself, you just bring it out. Pardon me, I'm a nurse. I'm a nurse, so I think that's why I know this thing. So here I'm just saying things, so that the video will be going, but watch us do our thing, and we'll finish this side. I think this is the last part. This is the last part. So I don't know where my dad went to. I don't know. My brother here, we're trying to pack everything, unload it inside the car, and transfer these ones into one bag, and we started loading it inside the car so that we can get going to the other side, because we're already tired. Village, no network, no lights. My battery was even low. If not that, my dad's car charger was still active. I don't know how I would have been able to be recording this thing because my phone wasn't really charged and I didn't even come out with my power bank. So yeah, me and my brother were finished packing it, and I started looking for my dad because I don't know where he went to, and we've called him now. He just went to greet the neighbors, and now we're ready to move to the other side, trying to fill in the car with some, so it doesn't overheat. That's why they pour water. I don't know. And my dad now finished, locked the car, locked the bonnet, and now he went to close the door. So after closing the door, we now left. We drove off to the other side of the land, to the other land, so we can bring other things. This is my grandma, R.I.P. Mama. So we started going to the other side of the village, the other side of the land, so we can go and carry the other one. But when we got there, we didn't find anything. Right? We didn't find. The man was confused. He said it was just 2 palm trees, but we couldn't find. He was confused. He didn't know. We were running around, and that land was really big. It took a lot of time before we were able to find the other 2 palm trees. These things that are coming in people's clothes inside the bush. All my clothes was gone. When I was washing that clothes was when I was calmly bringing it out, because if you're trying to bring it out, it will come to the other side. So here my brother brought a bag so we could go into the bush and go and get the other one and pick those palm fruits that fell on the floor. So these are our family relatives, their house. We have a land at the back of their house. So when we got there, my uncle, my auntie, my uncle's wife, and I had to come and greet the woman. Her husband is late, so we came to greet her, and how is everybody at home? And we made some jokes, and everybody was smiling or laughing. So when we went inside the inside the bush, it took a time. I already said it took a lot of time before we found, because the land was quite big and we didn't know which palm tree anymore. But we finally found it, and we picked everything and packed it. But when we came out, I was really thirsty because the sun already beat us with that was very thirsty. So I had to beg them for water, and this will give me water from that pot. I don't know if you guys remember that pot. That udu, they call it udu, that pot that is cold. The water in it be like fridge. Oh my goodness, I really enjoyed that water. I don't know how clean or healthy it is. I don't even know if that's why I feel sick, because right now I'm treating both malaria and typhoid because I don't know what the problem is. Anyways, here we got to a place with the woman that's supposed to buy it. The man suggested that she would buy it. She's the only person that will price it, give a good deal. So, but the price was becoming a problem. My dad said, no, it's not worth it. Let's go with it and just do whatever we wish to do with it. My mom will do whatever she wished to do with it. Or maybe we'll look for other people. So I told my dad, please don't make this mistake, okay? Let's just sell this thing off, because you might end up regretting not selling it to her. If you drive off and you don't find it anymore, you go to somewhere else and the people are going to price you something that will make you regret. And when you come back, you might not find this woman. So he took my advice and we sold it to her. So here we had to, drop this man off, and my dad gave him, some money. Look at that stuff in my dad's clothes. It was all over my clothes, yes. So here we finally left and we started going to my grandpa's. That's my mom's dad. There's something my mom said we should give her father. So when we got there, we had to go and deliver the stuff to him. He's not feeling too strong, you know, old age has set in. Though he's still looking very young, but I didn't really want to get in this video. He's still looking very young, yeah. I didn't really want to get in very because he's not so strong right now. And you know, we didn't waste time. We delivered the stuff and we left. So after then, we had to drive to the market to go and buy some foodstuffs. That's the most exciting part for me because when I was little, my mom normally buy things that really excite me. Whenever she goes to the village, I'm always excited about Okpa, number one. My village Okpa is the best. I think my village makes the best oil, very healthy. Oh my god, if you taste this Okpa, never tasted like that before. I bought my wet abacha, special wet abacha. You've never seen it before. Delicious. I'll make it with this iru, or call it ubamburo in my village. Here it is. It is iru in Yoruba Sha, but we call it ubamburo or ubaibe. My village abacha, special. I can't come to the village and I don't buy this. I'm definitely going to buy. And this fish, there's a way they fry it, is special. And this is my village ewa. You know, these things are my village special meals, and I made it. So I'm going to be putting up the video very soon. I bought apple that I made by myself, very healthy and delicious. I bought fish, very cheap and big. You can't even imagine how much I bought this fish. So I even bought more vegetables. This vegetable, healthy. I think they call it huckleberry in English. I'm not sure, but some people said it's huckleberry, but we call it ewa. So after this, we are done and we're ready going back to Enugu. And this is the end of my vlog. And I hope you enjoyed it. This is Oremba, the most popular market in my village, and here is Amwane. And after here, welcome home. We're back home. And I hope you enjoyed my vlog and do have a wonderful night rest or have a wonderful day. Depends on what time you see me. So, you guys, bye. Mwah.